Did you know the government spends over $500 billion annually on contracts with small businesses? Yet most business owners have no idea how to access this massive marketplace. I'm here to change that. I'm with AGMS Consulting, and through our FedPlan Ecosystem, we've created something revolutionary, a comprehensive business assessment that provides a 90-day training curriculum specifically designed to position your company in the government contracting space. Here's what makes this different. We don't just give you generic advice. Our platform provides personalized recommendations based on your specific business needs. We've helped over 10,000 participants navigate this process with a 75% completion rate because our system actually works. The FedPlan Ecosystem connects you with the tools, training, and expertise you need to successfully compete for government contracts. From SBA certifications to SAM.gov registrations, we guide you through every step. Ready to unlock this opportunity for your business? Visit fedplanhub.com and take our assessment today. Your 90-day transformation starts now.